Once there was a little village near a big jungle. The village cows went into the jungle to eat the fresh and juicy grass that grew there. In the jungle, there lived a wicked old lion. He would kill a cow every day and eat it up. The cows, out of fear, stopped going to the jungle. They were sad that they could not eat the grass. They could also not give enough milk to the village farmers. One day, all the cows held a meeting. A wise old cow said, Listen to me carefully. I have thought over the matter. There is one way to fight the lion. Do tell us, dear cow. We are always hungry. We are ready to do anything to get back to the grass in the jungle, said the rest of the cows. The lion eats one of us only because we go into the jungle separately. From now on, we will walk into the jungle together as one herd of cows. Every day, the wicked old lion would wait for one of the cows to enter the jungle. He could have a good lunch then. Today, he lay waiting on the grass under the shade of a tree. When he looked up, he saw not one, but a group of cows making their way into the jungle. Great, he thought to himself. I can choose the fattest cow and have a tasty milk. His mouth began to water. He stood up. He was ready to attack. He slowly walked towards them. He was just about to pounce upon one of the fattest cows when he got the shock of his life. Moo! The herd of cows, enjoying the sweet and fresh grass after a long time, had seen the lion coming towards them, saying, 1, 2, 3. They had all moved loudly together. Then, saying 1, 2, 3, they moved together towards the wicked lion once again. Moving loudly, the lion got a terrible fright. Help, he cried, cows attacking milk. The king of the jungle. He turned and ran. And do you know something? He is still running. The cows were never disturbed again. That is because they had got together and chased their enemy away. Unity. Staying united in all situations. India was not an independent country till 1947. British had come to India as a traders but ruled for 200 years. It was just because of lack of mutual unity among the Indians. We see in India people with different religions, customs, cultures and traditions, and they have their different festivals, fashions and lifestyle. And despite all this variedness, India remains a one nation. Why? Only because of unity.